ki khubor ka bate si TV
ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian Umrupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
I wanna make up right now, now. See you whining, grinding, all on the floor like that.
MLA Barim jongka Gambegre constituency Saleng Sangma. Balalong menta MP jongka Tura parliamentary seat hadin ke jingyo ke jingbum yo thia yo damshu jongka National People's Party kabalaya khun do ya banrung shaman lagi thleu yeng na kabenta ka election siteng samoy ulata Kren Kila ke NPP. Saleng Sangma laong ba umpat jiyo kot yo menteri rangba ka jela Konrad ke Sangma baun leit kanbas shaman lagi thleu yeng hakano ka constituency. Hakawai kaliang lapan pau ya ke jingkermen ba unla ban yo ilut ya barok ke jingdon kam hapo ka constituency. Shushu Saleng ulata Kren ru da ka baong ba hakapor bagi Kren halor ka roi ka par Kila Pynlehraiñ yo kepala jong upurno Sangma balalong teng union minister speaker bat kumju ru kum menteri rangba ka jela bat lada ka rilom garo kadang sadien kidei ban keno ya laki jong kibriu namar sau punyo snem kam dei ka bakai.
You see, I have not seen Chief Minister campaigning door to door in any of the constituency, not even in his constituency. But right now he's jumping up to the, area where he was supposed not to also. But I'm glad and happy that he could see, through the Gambegri, that what are the area that needed to be projected to. Okay. Now, because of his wife only, he is going door to door and colony to colony and village to village. I'm happy that now, this by-election has pulled down each and every minister, pull them down to the ground to see what are the reality that people are facing. Gambegri election has definitely given them the lesson. Whether we win or lose, but I think I have won the battle. Or not returning, but Congress has won the election. You know why? Because all the ministers, speakers and every MLA is going to each and every corner of my old constituency Gambegre, whereas they had never dreamed and even dreamed of going to the colonies where they never never wanted to also. But now see, this Gambegre by-election has pulled them down like anything, and then they are begging for votes. See the importance of people right now. Win the election or not, but we have won the election. Always wins the election of the ruling party. You got my point. It's the people who always won the election. People of Gambegre has won the election, I'm telling you. It's not the Congress, it's not the NPP, it's not the TMC. People of Gambegre has won the election right now. You got my point. Have you ever seen Speaker, Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, everybody going to each and every household before? All 50 MLAs, ministers are going down to one constituency and seeing the problem and trying to address the problem of the people. See the power of people. Are we idiotically nonsense to believe that one? Since they are already hand in glove with the BJP right now, right here in the state, and they are hand in glove with being in the government, whom they think right now they are trying to fool anybody? Tell me, are we nonsense? Not only money, they have already used all the government ministries out there, which I loved it. You got it? I loved it because now people can see and people can feel. When they are strong, they can pull down even the chief minister and the speaker to the ground. Have you not seen my speeches out there? I've told them, I've asked them also, do not vote if you have not seen any development. And in certain areas, I've asked for, apologize them, if I could not reach to certain areas. So I don't beg for vote. You see, I ask them to look at the report cards of each and every year, what I have done, what I have not done actually. If you don't have a progress report, don't go back. Got it? I've given them the progress report. From the day one, there was not even a single developmental. When they are talking about a developmental, they're insulting their own, their own fathers. Chief P.A. Sangma has been the union minister. P.A. Sangma has been the speaker. And then at that time, there were, even the state were under him. His brother-in-law were the ministers at that time, at Malke Sangma, Gopinath. All of them were a minister. So, if the Garo Hills is backward, they should blame their own people. You got my point. 47 years is not a matter of joke. I was not even born at that time. My wave has not impacted whom you are seeing on the ground, day to day, door to door. Will they have gone? Any common sense people will, not believe in their bluff. They have seen, everybody has seen. Why Chief Minister is there 24 hours? Why Speaker is there? Why all the ministers is campaigning in each and every polling station and each and every colony? NPP has felt threatened by the people, not by the Congress. You got my point? By the people. Because if people have not voted for me for the Congress, in this by-election, they would not have been pulled down to their knees. No, I don't have mantra actually. It's the people we ultimately decide. Because God has given us a free will. Okay, even the Prime Minister cannot change the mantra also. You have seen Prime Minister campaigning in Garo Hills, not even a single, seat was, captured by BJP at all. That's a local. He's a very much local actually. He's from Tura, and then he has been organizing not only from Tura, from all over the Garo Hills actually, and then moreover now since we have got some part of the Tura after the delimitation, he is very much local.